In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted old messages on Snapchat without backup. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to open Snapchat. At the top left corner, you will see your profiles icon. So click on it. Go to settings. Scroll down and click on this My Data option. Now what you have to do is to log into your Snapchat account again. So enter your username or email address. Then enter your password. And once you have entered your password, click on login. Once the login is successful, you will be directed to this page. So scroll down, confirm your email address here, and then click on this submit request option. Okay, now a file containing your data is being created by Team Snapchat. And whenever that file is ready, you will receive an email on your registered email address. So now all you have to do is to wait for some time. In some cases, if you have a lot of data on your account, then it might take up to 48 hours to receive the file. So be patient. I'll get back to you guys when I have received my files. Okay guys, welcome back, and as you can see that I have received my files. It took only like 3 to 4 minutes for me to receive my files because my account was relatively new. So open the email and click on this click here option. Once again, log into your Snapchat account. Click on login. Now here you will see this tab which says your data is ready, and below that you will see this file my data. So click on it. Okay, now the file is downloaded, so click on open, and that's it. Here you will see all of your Snapchat data, and if you scroll down you will see this chat history option. So click on it, and here you will get all of your deleted chats on Snapchat. My account was new and I didn't had any chats on it, therefore it's showing this folder empty. In this way you can recover your deleted chats on Snapchat. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.